Welcome everyone to QSA. Today our lecture is on History and Evolution of Indian Flag by Cordon State Analysis. Very useful for competitive exams. The flag of British Raj of India. Red ensign with the Union Jack occupying one quarter of the field, placed in the canton and defaced with the Order of the Star of India. The red ensign was used as a civil ensign, merchant ensign, and represented India in international events, notably in the declaration by United Nations during World War II. The flag was used during 1880 to 1947. Basically, in this flag, the Order of the Star of India plays an important role and was emblem of the dominion of India. The star was the symbol of the Order of the India, a chivalric order of knighthood. It was a sunburst with 26 large rays alternating with 26 small rays. In the center of the sunburst was a light blue ribbon bearing the motto of the order, Heaven's Light Our Guide. Within the ribbon was a five-pointed star decorated with diamonds. The motto chosen was neutral so as to appeal to the people of different faiths due to the religious diversity of India, and heaven also referring to the stars and their light that sailors used to circumnavigate to India. Unlike most British symbols, the star did not have any Christian connotations as they were deemed unacceptable to Indian princess. Sister Nivedita's flag, 1904 to 1906. It was in 1904 that the first Indian flag was designed. The design was given by Sister Nivedita. The flag was red and yellow with an image of Vajra, weapon of god Indra. You can see the picture of Sister Nivedita here. The phrase Vande Mataram is written in Bengali. On it, the red color and the yellow color signified freedom and victory, while the symbol of Vajra stood for strength. We can see the flag here. Sister Nivedita, born as Margaret Elizabeth Noble, born on 28th October 1867 and died 13th October 1911, was an Irish teacher, author, social activist, school founder, and was disciple of Swami Vivekananda. The Indian flag hosted in Calcutta, 1906. Sachindra Prasad Bose and Sukumar Mitra designed the flag and unfurled the Calcutta flag on 7th August 1906 in Parsi Bagan Square, Green Park. Parsi Bagan Square, Green Park in Calcutta, India. The flag was also known as Calcutta flag and Lotus flag. This was the first flag with tricolor. It consisted strips of orange with 8 lotuses, yellow with Vande Mataram edited on it with in Devanagari, and last was the green band with the symbols of sun and the moon placed accordingly. Madam Kama's flag, the new flag representing the Indian independence movement that sought to unite the multitude of castes and races within the country. The Vande Mataram flag, part of the Swadeshi movement against the British, comprised Indian religious symbols represented in Western heraldic fashion. The tricolor included 8 white lotuses on the upper green band, representing the 8 provinces, and a sun and a crescent on the bottom red band, and the Vande Mataram slogan in Devanagari on the center yellow orange band. Then came the Berlin Committee flag, which was collectively designed by Madam Bikaiji Kama, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Veer Savarkar, and Shyamji Krishna Verma. The flag was first unfurled by Madam Kama on 22nd August 1907 at Stuttgart, Germany, and thus attained the status of the Indian flag to be hosted at any foreign land. The original flag, which was hosted by Madam Kama, was smuggled into British India by Indulal Yagnik, and now the flag is displayed at Lokmanya Tilak Museum, Pune, Maharashtra state. So you can see here the flag used during the Home Rule movement in 1917. The third flag went up in 1917 when our political struggle had taken a definite turn. Dr. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak hosted it during the Home Rule movement. Five red and four green horizontal strips on the upper left quadrant was the Union flag, which signified the dominion status that the movement sought to achieve. A crescent and seven-pointed star, both in white, are set in top fly. Seven white stars are arranged as in the Saptarishi constellation, the constellation Ursa Major. So you can see the flag here and Tilak and Annie Besant. The flag unofficially adopted in 1921 during the session of All India Congress Committee which met at Bezwada in 1921. Now Vijayawada and Andhra youth Pingali Venkaya prepared a flag and took it to Gandhiji. The idea of the spinning wheel Charka was put forth by Lala Hansraj, and Gandhi commissioned Pingali Venkaya to design a flag with the spinning wheel on a red and green banner. The red color signifying Hindus and the green standing for Muslims. Gandhi wanted the flag to be presented at the Congress session of 1921, but it was not delivered on time, and another flag was proposed at the session. Gandhi later wrote that the delay was fortuitous since it allowed him to realize that other religions were not represented, and he then added white to the banner colors to represent all other religions. So you can see white band, green band, and red band with charka of Gandhiji. Later on, owing to the religious political sensibilities, Gandhiji moved towards a more secular interpretation of the flag colors, stating that red stood for the sacrifice of the people, white for the purity, and green for the hope. So you can see Gandhiji and Pingali Venkaya. This was a postcard made for post stamp made for Pingali Venkaya. The Swaraj flag officially adopted by the Indian National Congress in 1931. The year 1931 was a landmark in the history of the flag. A resolution was passed adopting a tricolor flag as our national flag. This flag, the forebear of the present one, was saffron, white, green with Mahatma Gandhiji's spinning wheel on it. It was, however, clearly stated that it bore no communal significance and was to be interpreted thus. Detractors of the flag movement, including Motilal Nehru, soon hailed the Swaraj flag as a symbol of national unity. Thus, the flag became a significant structural component of the institution of India. The Swaraj flag became the official flag of Congress at the time and also became at the 1931 meeting. However, by then, the flag had already become the symbol of the independence movement. The present tricolor flag of India. As India gained its independence in August 1947, the Constituent Assembly was formed to select a flag for independent India. On 22nd June to 23rd June 1947, the Assembly set up an ad hoc committee headed by Rajendra Prasad and including Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sarojini Naidu, C. Raja Gopalachari, K. M. Munshi, and B. R. Ambedkar as its members. On July 22nd, 1947, the Constituent Assembly adopted it as Free India national flag. After the advent of independence, the color and their significance remained the same. Only the Dhammachakra of Emperor Ashoka was adopted in the place of the spinning wheel as the emblem of the flag. Thus, the tricolor flag of the Congress Party eventually became the tricolor of independent India. So let's learn flag formation of the Indian Union. On July 14, 1947, the committee recommended that the flag of the Indian National Congress be adopted as the national flag of India with suitable modifications so as to make it acceptable to all parties and communities. It was resolved that the flag should not have any communal undertones. The spinning wheel of the Congress flag was replaced by the chakra wheel from the lion capital of Ashoka. So you can see here the lion capital of Ashoka and the Ashok chakra. According to the committee, the chakra was chosen as it was representative of dharma and law. It was representative of dharma and law. However, Jawaharlal Nehru explained that the changes was more practical in nature as unlike the flag with the spinning wheel, this design would appear more symmetrical. Gandhiji was not very pleased by the change but eventually came around to accepting it. The flag was proposed by Nehru at the Constituent Assembly on July 22nd, 1947 as horizontal tricolor of deep saffron, white and dark green in equal proportions with the Ashoka wheel in blue in the center of the white band. Nehru also presented two flags, one in khadi silk and the other in khadi cotton, to the assembly. The resolution was approved unanimously. It served as the national flag of the Dominion of India between 15th August 1947 and 26th January 1950 and has served as a flag of Republic of India since then. So you can see our tricolor here. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice, white stands for truth and purity, green stands for faith, fertility, and growth. The feel of virtue also represents motion and growth. Jai Hind.